A very warm good evening to all present here. Ladies and gentlemen, today I welcome you all to our trade presentations of Mechanic Motor Vehicle 2025. This year, our trade presentation is also special because the basic theme of our project is dedicated to His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama upcoming 90th birthday. I, on behalf of first year and second year MME, would like to explain briefly about the projects that we are presenting in front of you. So, this is a small setup of our workshop. Now, without wasting our time, I would like to explain the projects that have been made by our first year students. This is the customer lounge, the place or the area where a customer can sit and relax while his or bikes or scooters are being handled by the mechanics. Moreover, our customer can relax and sit over here and read newspapers and magazines, as well as to have a cup of coffee, either or a tea on this table. So the table that you can see over here is a center coffee spinning round table. The materials that are used to make this table is old car tire, as well as the coconut rope and with a glue stick. And can you please come over here and just zoom it what's inside the table. And as you can see over here, our first year students, they have managed to make this 90 over here with a different color rocks just to dedicate the 90th birthday for His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And as you can see inside the corner of the tire, you can see a different lights just to grab the attentions of our customers. And in some rocks, you can see it's written a Tibetan mantra, as well as in one rock it says it is written in Tibetan, and it goes like prayer for long life of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And now I would like to ask a question to the group leader of this project, Mr. Legdula. So Mr. Legdula, my question is, how did you manage to make this project? And just tell our audience.
Good evening. So there are large amount of tires on the track, which the not only use, instead of discarding them, decided to make creative and functional project. First, we wrap the coconut rope from the tire. At inner part of the tire, we made 90 by stones. And for the top surface, we added transparent glass, which is completing the design and providing smooth, usable and tabletop. Thank you.
Thank you, Legdula, for sharing your thoughts and the ideas to our audience. Now, next I would like to move on to the next project made by the first year also. And as you can see over here, this is a sofa. It is made by only using two old car tires, which was brought from our practical outside. And the sofa here, you can see, is brought from our garage, which was kept there for quite a long time. And they are quite big benefits, I must tell you that. As you can see over here, each side of the corner have a folding side of table. And it goes like this. And please come over here. And as you can see, inside it, you can put your all belongings. And these are some of the welding crafts that are made by our technical students. And while reading or relaxing over here in the sofa, you can put all your belongings as well as phones and your newspapers, your magazines, and inside that you can also put your valuable things secretly. And now I would like to ask a few questions in English to Mr. S. Kamadoji. इस कमा मेरा आपसे ये सवाल है कि आपने ये जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है उसका आइडिया आपको कैसे मिला? प्लीज़ आप हमारे दर्शकों को कुछ बता दीजिए।
जब मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड्स लोग मिलकर हमने कार का बैक सीट और बोथ साइड ऐसे पड़ा हुआ था, तब मैंने सोचा एक सोफ़ा बनाऊंगा, क्योंकि एक ये सोफ़ा हमारे प्रैक्टिकल क्लास के लिए यूज़फुल होगा।
और मेरा आपसे लास्ट सवाल इसका हुआ कि जब आपने ये प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है तब आपने क्या क्या मुसीबत का सामना किया, प्लीज़ आप उनको शेयर कर सकते हैं।
सबसे मुश्किल लगा कि इस सोफ़े में जो कि इस सोफ़ा का फ्रेम है, इस सोफ़े में दो फ्रेम है, एक अपना सोफ़े का फ्रेम और दूसरा स्टैंड का फ्रेम, जो कि एक ए शेप में बना हुआ है, और सोफ़ा और टायर को एडजस्ट करने में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हुआ था।
Thank you, Yeskama, for sharing your ideas and your difficulties in making this sofa. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate both of you for making this successful project. Now, I would like to move next project to our second year, and as you can see, name is written on it, mini bucket. Now, Mr. Nawal, my classmate, he will explain briefly about it.
Good evening to all. My name is Tenzin Awang. My mate Tenzin Sangpala. We present here a mini buggy with a vital component of automobile. Mr. Sangpala, can you demonstrate the steering mechanism of automobile? As you see, it works opposite. So when you turn the vehicle, so think of it. And here we have installed a 35cc 4-stroke engine on it with the rear wheel drive. Mr. Sambala, can you help me to turn on the engine? There are many things that we have learned and get experience from making this buggy. So we will keep polishing our skills and to be successful in our career. Thank you so much. Now I will pass the mic to the new one.
Thank you, Mr. Omar, for your explanations. As you can see that it seems very easy to make it, but when you do it practically by yourself, then it's very difficult. Now, next to our last project of second year, I would like to move to this project. As you can see, this is our 5 where we can put our light bikes or scooters to do easy repairs and for washing clothes. So the prime purpose of making this wide is because I personally felt and experienced that whenever we get a stuff two-wheeler to repair it and for washing it, we quite find it difficult to bend to repair it as well as to check the alternate path of the vehicles. If I took the course of this, then with only bearings and 4 wheels, others we managed to make it with using the scrapers and scrubbing parts that were available in our workshop. Now I would like to ask a question to Mr. Nishi in Hindi. Nishi, मेरा आपसे ये सवाल है कि आपने किस मकसद से बनाया है, क्या आप हमारे ऑडियंस को बता सकते हैं?
बनाने का मकसद है कि जो टू व्हीलर है, जैसे स्कूटी हो, जैसे बाइक हो, उसको रिपेयर करने के लिए आसान से रिपेयर करने के लिए बनाए जाते हैं। और ये बनाने टाइम हमको बहुत तकलीफ हुआ था। एक लेरों से करना कोई नाम पर नहीं होता, लेरों से करना
motivational words when it comes to. I hope that they will get inspired from your words. And if I talk about this project, then it works on the principle of a simple machine. It works on the screw and a nut. And with this, I would like to come to the last part. Last but not least, I would like to say thank you to our management team and our directors for giving all of us this wonderful opportunity and providing all of us this stage to show us our skills and creativity. And definitely, they all use their times, and each one of all of them has participated very well. And also, our instructor, our Ganguri Club, as well as our Genshiram Club, thank you for guiding as well as and helping us in making all this project possible within a given time. And if I talk about, I really want to appreciate each one of all of these for making this project wonderfully successful, because they have put all their efforts, their determinations, and their extra overtime works on this project to get successfully within the time. And each one of them took their responsibility with a wholeheartedly. And with that, we faced many difficulties while making this project, but all the difficulties we took it as a lesson, and that's how we keep learning in our life. And that's all I wanted to say, that keep learning, keep moving, and believe in yourself. If you do things in your life, then definitely this will help you to achieve your goal in your life. And once again, thank you all of the students as well as our guests for coming out here, gathering here to see the presentation of our mechanic trade. And with this, I would like to thank you each and everyone, and have a nice day. Thank you all.
Good evening to all, wonderful chairman, directors, all the teachers and students who are present here. I, Spencer training of woodworking technician trade, would like to start the presentation. As we have two beautiful projects for this beautiful evening, so was starting as a carpenter, I would like to tell you that making a regular chair or regular furniture is a common. So what we build is a table which is modern in design and having a space-saving quality, and it is used for multi-purpose, which is my main concept for today's project. And so what I made is a table which has 2 drawers and 1 bed. And the table can be used from both the sides, in front or in the back. And there's also a 2 drawer and 1 cabinet. And the material used in it, the table is fully made out of 18 mm ply, and the drawer is also made out of 18 mm ply, which makes this drawer more beautiful and gives this drawer more strength. And in a cabinet, we put metallic paint which makes this cabin water resistant. And on the tabletop and the side of the table, this table is fully laminated with the mica, which makes this table waterproof and give this table a beautiful look, as you all can see that. And in a mica, there's different types of mica. You have your own choice what type of mica do you want to put in your furniture, by your choice. And moving to the next, now I want to call someone for demonstrate this project. The tabletop can be fold or unfold very easily. As you all can see that the tabletop can be fold or unfold very easily. And in the other side, there is 2 drawers where you use this table for study purpose. In the drawer, you can put your geometry box, pen, pencils, and a cabin. You can put your copy, laptop, and other things. And now, and the tabletop also, in the other side of the table, also fold or unfold very easily. And there is also 2 drawers, as you see. In a drawer, you can put your spoon and other utensils, and in a cabin, you can put your plate, mugs, and your water bottle also. As you all see that the tabletop is very large, and we can use this for dining table, as you all see that. And moving to the next, we use the fly Thanks to all. Now my friend Prince will continue this project.
So good evening all present here. Firstly, I'm very grateful to have this great opportunity and thank you for the stage. So my name is Nitin Singh and I'm also representing my trade woodworking technician. So what I have to do for a trade presentation is just a small demo based on an anti-gravity density structure. Yeah, it is some of the science in here, but it was very frustrating and mind-blowing within this project, but somehow we made it in here. So, before starting to the main part, I would like to tell you guys about the materials which we have used in this structure. So, first you guys can clearly see the wood which is shisham, and it plays the main role structure of this project. So, after next we have rope just to balance and supporting. We have also used our fiberglass for the tabletop and which is surrounded by LED light. So yeah, we have also did some polishing for better looks. And now coming to the main part, as we were talking about an anti-gravity tension structure. So an anti-gravity tension table utilizes the structural principle of tension where rigid columns are held by the network of cable or rope under the tension. This design creates illusion of floating tabletop appearing to defy gravity. The interplay between tension and compression within the structure ensures the stability and support. Such tables are not only visually intriguing but also exemplify the innovative principle of engineering. Now, so I would like to call Mr. Sharabla and Mr. Lotsamodala just to demonstrate a little bit. The stool which they are sitting on is also made of shisham wood, which is commonly expensive in use of furniture. And you guys can clearly see the level of the table, which can be used for coffee table, center table, for decoration purpose. And if you guys can see how comfortably they are sitting and enjoying their lives. So, Mr. Sharma, how do you feel and how do you what's one of you?
Yeah, it's beautiful and looking.
Oh, thank you. So, as you guys can see how comfy they are sitting, and now with this, I would like to conclude our today's presentation. with lots of prayers from bottom of our heart to the innocent one who has lost their life during Palam attack. And yeah, that's all for today's presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And gentlemen are free to go. Thank you.